guys, today I'll be doing a video on two looks. So basically two looks in a day. So starting from a simplistic minimalistic nude makeup look for the morning, followed by a loud dramatic night look. So I'll be transforming look 1 into look 2. So let's begin. And to begin with, I'll first do my eye makeup. For eye makeup, one thing is very important is to conceal your eyes before you start your makeup or color correct it. So basically I'll be using a Maybelline concealer. It's in the shade of caramel. Now I'll be blending it with my finger. You can see how it has transformed my eye area. Concealer is done. I'll be packing my makeup with Blue Heaven translucent powder. Now I'll be packing the area with the powder. It's packed well. Eyeshadow to the neutral shade of my skin tone. I'll be using this Forever 52 palette. So it has 35 color. It pretty much solves everything for me, and it's like really good. It has all the colors, and I'll be using a neutral tone. I'll be using a very neutral tone similar to my skin tone to my crease area. So I'll be using this for my crease area. This area is called crease. So you usually put a similar to your skin and a little lighter shade over your crease area. So I've done my crease. Now I'll be using a darker shade from here only. Of the pink family, this. So I'll be using it all over my eyelid, blending it. Yeah, so you can see. So and you can always add anything dramatic like shimmers or glitters or graffiti to the eyelid area, this area. So even though it's a day look, I love getting dramatic. And I'll be using Swiss Beauty this palette, and I'll be using a heavily pigmented pink shade from this family on my eyelid. Always remember, when you're blending your eyeshadow or any product and you have almond shape eyes like me, always blend the product upwards. So it gives you a little lift to your eyes. So I finished this. Now I'll be moving on to doing my eyebrows. For eyebrows, I'll be using this Color Bar pencil. It's really amazing pencil. It comes with a brush and a pencil. So I usually fill it first. So teach you one thing, always hold all your makeup tools from either center or behind, because it really helps you give very light strokes, so you always have a scope to correct your error. So the filling is done. You can see how beautifully it blends. My eyebrows are done. You can see how beautiful they are looking. Now I'll be curling my eyelashes with this Westside eyelashes color. It's rose gold color. I'll be doing my mascara now. So for my mascara, I'll be using this L'Oreal mascara. It is a dual mascara. It has mascara primer and then mascara. So mascara prep is done. Now put the mascara coat. Yeah, so the mascara is done. You can see how beautiful it looks already. For eyeliner, today I'll be using Maybelline Smudge Free Kajal, because I need a kajal sort of a thing for liner, so I can smudge it and do my night color look with it. So I've done my eyeliner. I've done a classic eyeliner, and I'm not doing my kajal also. So for my face, I use Huda Beauty. It is full coverage, it's really nice. So I'm leaving my eye area. I will be using my color corrector for my under eye because you can see my under eye has good amount of darkness. Very close to your waterline because that's where all your like lines are, so it'll look like it'll look very creased. Now I'll be just doing it with my hand because I personally feel that my hand is the best blender, and you will see this. Now I'll take a little more for my neck and I'll blend my neck well. Yeah, so this is done. This is done. My blush, I'll be using Max Factor creamy blush in the shade of soft candy. It's very natural looking. You can see the finish. It's so nice and so neat. I actually forgot to pack my under eye. Please do that. It's very, very important. Never forget that. Then for my highlight, I use this amazing Forever 52 highlighter, which is beautiful, brilliant. Difference. This side. How you do it on your contour, just to get the balance. It shouldn't be like a particular part of your face is looking extremely matte. So you can see this look is complete. Finishing it with a very basic lipstick from Maybelline, affordable for everyone. It's a very good shade of nude for Indian skin tone. It's called Touch of Spice. So I'm not, because it's my daily look, I'm not contouring my face. For the night look, I'll just tell you how to contour. So this look is finished. Good to go things. So you can use this makeup to go ahead with any of your Western outfit. Whereas you can always go ahead with this makeup using for your ethnic outfit using one very simple technique, which is adding a classic bindi to it. Wrapping up for our night party look. So let's begin. So we have already done our base and everything, so we don't have to do it again. We can maybe just touch up. What we will be doing right now is playing around with your eyes. So the reason I told you to take smudge free kajal is because I want to smudge this look for the night look. So what I'll do is just use my fingers and smudge the kajal that I already have. So this is smudged and blend. Yeah, do the same thing with your other eyes. Now I'll be just finishing my smoky eye with a palette from Swiss Beauty. It's a very worn out palette. I'm not showing you this, but I'll be using a glittery black on my eyelids. Yeah, so it is blended now. Now I'll just take the shade that I used for my crease again to sort of just blend my smoke. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, the smoky eye is done. Now the last step will be, I'll be using my kajal to finish this look. Never pull your skin. Look with applying some extra coat of mascara, and to give a good highlight to the whole eye, I'll be using the highlighter from the same palette that I showed you from Swiss Beauty, and blend it. Yeah, blend well. Yeah. So I will be telling you how to contour your face. I'll be doing stick from Maybelline. And draw very close lines to open feel to your whole nose. Now just take a regular brush and blend. If you have contour brush, take the contour brush. Contouring is done and the face looks really good. Lips, for doing my lips, I will not be going for the classic scarlet red color. I'll be using this shade from MAC Liquid Retro Lipsticks, which is in the shade of Dance With Me. So I've done my lipstick. You can see how beautiful this lipstick shade is looking.